Coco's eating his first kiwi, and he's loving it. Is that good? Yum, yum. Yeah, we put Coco in his cage so he could eat, because otherwise he'll make a mess. And he's got a new cage. It's huge. See? Is that good, Coco? Yeah. Yeah, he's getting big. Oh, get it. You dropped it. You dropped it. Good boy. Good boy. You want more? You want more? Yum, yum. Yeah, he loves kiwis now, and pears and mangoes. And he loves these snap peas. He breaks open the inside of these and eats them. The little peas inside. What are you doing? Got itches? You got itches? Yeah. Oh, you just dropped your kiwi. Here. Here. Coco. Here. Watch this. This is great. I love when he eats these. Nah. He eats the inside out, the little peas inside. Look how big his feet got. See, he like rips up the inside and he eats out the little peas on the inside. It's awesome. Where are you going, bud? Is that good? Huh? Is that good? He's getting so big. Are you stuffing those pouches? Are you stuffing those pouches? You done already? Yeah, he eats those really fast. And if we let him, he'll eat a whole bag of them on us too. How about some mango? Ooh. Oh. Yum, yum, yum. I love the way he eats. So this is the cage that we got him. And I put a cover on the side, so if it's cool in the morning, I'll keep it covered. And he's got his little swing, and I'm getting him some more stuff for it. And he's got the tray that we could pull out and clean. And we clean the floor like umpteen times a day because he throws stuff out of it. But it's huge. He loves it. There's a lot of room in it. So just wanted to give you guys an update. And I will put out another video soon. Say bye, Coco. Bye, Coco. Yeah.